Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way out to the Refuge golf course to take a look at a pool home for a client. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 1882 East Tradition Lane out at the Refuge. This one is listed for 1.160. Sits on a nice corner lot right across the street from the golf course. Of course, it's super quiet in here. It's a planned unit, gated development, underground utilities, natural gas, no short-term rentals inside here. 30-day minimums. So it's in a nice little cul-de-sac location. Your mail is super close. They did some real nice artificial turf. That's their landscaping. It's been very popular out here the last few years. All paver, driveway, and entry. Let's go check it out. Real nice stonework, 8-foot entry door. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2004, 2,522 square feet inside the Refuge. Have a double door closet on your right here. Nice, wide open living area. Big kitchen with eat-at granite tops. Nice big entry. There's 2 bedrooms and a bath at the front of the house. We'll go check out in a minute. So you have the tall ceilings, 8-foot interior doors, plank tile floors, real nice stacked stone on the fireplace. There's also a little dining area or nook back here with a slider out to the pool area. Has can lights, integrated speakers. This looks like an electric fireplace. Nice granite counters. Stainless appliances, pot shelves, under cabinet lighting. You have a little beer wine fridge, kitchen island. RO at your sink. Another little dining area. Big windows, slider out to the backyard pool area. So you have your double door master off the kitchen. It's a big master. Tall ceilings in here as well. The whole wall is a double window slider out to the pool area. So you have a big walk-in closet in the master. You also have a pretty big master bath. Tile tops, dual sinks, tall ceilings, big soaking tub. You also have a little linen closet right there. toilet, and walk-in tiled shower. Great pool, mountain, and lake views from your master out your windows here. So you have the other 2 bedrooms and guest bath at the front of the house. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Plantation shutters, tall ceilings. I also have a walk-in closet in this bedroom. You have your guest bath. Nice glass walk-in shower. So you have another little linen closet and bedroom number 3. Plantation shutters in here as well. Built-in shelving. Slider out to the backyard. I did notice that these doors are just the regular doors. It does have an 8-foot slider, but the man doors here are just the regular. Little walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So you have a nice big indoor laundry off the kitchen on your way to the garage. All right, so you have a 3-car garage setup, has epoxy floors. This is a 22-foot bay, and then there's also a 29-foot bay and a 32-foot bay. Does have a mini split AC unit in here. Both garage doors are 8 foot high. You have your water softener, your RO system, and water heater over here. Again, this one is on natural gas, so you have natural gas, water heater. All right, so you have a cool little backyard patio setup. Has integrated speakers out here, all paver decking. Nice custom little wraparound pool. Gas fire pit. You also have a built-in barbecue. Looks like a pizza oven. Pretty cool setup. You have a real nice mountain and lake shot off the left side. They are building a home back here, but it looks like this is going to be the driveway. And then the garage, you can see the footprint. So you'll lose a little bit of the view on the right, but the left view will be intact most likely. So you'll probably be able to keep this left view here, as the house doesn't start until right here, but you'll probably lose that little piece of the lake over to the right side. It's kind of a cool little pool. It's not huge, but it's long. It's a perfect little hangout pool. This is the double slider off of the master. You have all your pool equipment down the side here. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Tradition Lane. Again, this one is listed for $1.160. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.